Hello there, fiber friends. I am Shereece Nicole of Sew Hooked on Treasures. If you have stumbled upon this course, you have probably gotten here because you have been toying with the notion that you would like to organize and clean up your creative space. Some of you may have stopped the fact that, man, that just seems very daunting. It's just not attainable and it's probably not sustainable. However, I am here to show you differently that it can be achieved and you can sustain it. Organized and tidy means different things to different people. So this is not a cookie cutter solution so that everybody's space is exactly the same. What I'm going to take you through in this two-step approach is just how to go through these steps to get it to where you want it to be, to where your space works for you and not against you. So if you're up for it, join me inside the course where I take you through each step, hold your hand, be there to support you, offer feedback, motivate you. I am going to be your biggest cheerleader and supporter through this course. I cannot wait to help you to get your creative space where you want it to be. It doesn't have to be where anybody else wants it. I want it to work for you so that when you come into your creative space, you are motivated, inspired to create whatever beautiful things that you are going to make. So head to the registration, get signed up, and I can't wait to see you inside.